Washington State is earthquake country. Every region of the state has a history of earthquake activity. More than 1,000 earthquakes are registered in Washington State each year. Of these, approximately 24 are actually large enough to be felt. A not-so-subtle reminder that an earthquake big enough to do considerable damage can strike at any time. Now, there isn't much we can do to prevent an earthquake, but there are ways to prepare for them.
Just to review, in the event of an earthquake, what must we remember? Yes.
Drop, cover, and hold.
Yes, drop, cover, and hold.
Know in advance what to expect in your school and how to deal with it. Knowing what to do will help make the situation more manageable and enable you to react in a much calmer manner. Follow the school plan that is in place at your school. When the ground starts to shake, drop, cover, and hold under a sturdy desk or table and hold on to the legs so that when the table moves, you'll move with it. Do not run. You could become an exposed target for flying debris. If you're in the hallway, drop, cover, and hold next to the wall, away from windows that might break or other items made from glass. If you're outdoors, move to a clear area away from trees, buildings, utility wires, and poles. Drop and cover in an open area.
Don't panic.
If you're in the auditorium, do not run. Drop, cover, and hold. Under the seat if possible. If not, crouch down by the seat. You need to protect your head as much as possible. Do not attempt to leave your drop, cover, and hold position until the shaking stops. If you're in the commons area or cafeteria, drop, cover, and hold under the tables or up against the wall. When the ground stops shaking, you should check yourself and others for injuries.
Let's get out of here. You guys, let's go.
Be prepared for aftershocks and take the same drop, cover, and hold precautions for each aftershock.
Whoa, whoa. Everybody all right? Everybody all right? Do a self-check. Check yourself for injuries real quick. Here we go. Okay, let's hustle out of here. We're going to the 10 and 20-yard line on the field. Hustle out. Watch for aftershocks. Stay away from power lines. Stay away from the building.
If evacuation is called for, leave the building in an orderly manner and go to the predetermined evacuation site for your school.